So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to use Samsung Dishwasher DW80CG5450SR. Cycle guide, smart control and care. Step 1 is load the dishwasher. Lower rack, place plates, pots and large bowls facing the center sprayer. Upper rack, place cups, glasses and small bowl angled down to prevent water pooling. Silverware basket, point knife handle up for safety. Mix forks and spoon in the basket to prevent nesting. Second step is add detergent and rinse aid. Open the dispenser flap on the door for detergent. Insert a pot or pour gel powered into the main compartment. Close the flap until it clicks. Open the round cap next to the detergent flap for rinse aid. Fill the liquid reservoir until the indicator turns dark to prevent water spots. Third step is select the cycle. Press and power button to turn on the dishwasher. Select your desired cycle: heavy, auto, normal or express. Add options such as sanitizer or heated dry based on your load. Fourth step is start the machine. Press the start button, firmly close the door within 3 seconds. The machine will drain for a few seconds. The wash cycle will then begin. Thanks for watching.